What happens if you sprinkle just 1 spoonful of eggshell powder onto your pepper plant? Most gardeners throw their eggshells straight into the trash, having no idea they're tossing away one of the most powerful free plant boosters sitting right in their kitchen. 1 spoonful, that's all it takes to trigger a chain reaction inside your soil that could mean the difference between a pepper plant that struggles and one that explodes with fruit. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at an eggshell the same way again. Before we dig in, if you're someone who loves getting real, no-nonsense growing tips that actually work, hit that subscribe button right now. I put out videos like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's talk about what's actually inside an eggshell, because once you understand this, the whole why behind this trick makes perfect sense. An eggshell might look like a simple, brittle little shell, but it's actually a mineral powerhouse. Roughly 95% of an eggshell is calcium carbonate. That's the same compound found in limestone and chalk, and it's one of the most important building blocks for healthy plant growth. Calcium carbonate breaks down slowly in soil, releasing calcium ions that plants can absorb through their root systems. Calcium isn't just a nice-to-have mineral, it's structural. Think of calcium as the mortar that holds the bricks of a plant's cell walls together. Without enough calcium, those cell walls become weak, thin, and prone to collapsing under stress. That's a huge deal for pepper plants specifically, and we'll get into exactly why in the next section. But calcium carbonate isn't the only thing hiding inside that shell. Eggshells also contain small but meaningful amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and trace minerals like zinc, copper, iron, manganese, and sulfur. Each of these plays a supporting role. Magnesium is a core component of chlorophyll, the pigment that allows plants to photosynthesize and convert sunlight into energy. Phosphorus supports root development and flower and fruit formation. Potassium helps regulate water movement within the plant and strengthens overall resilience against disease and stress. The trace minerals act like a multivitamin, filling in small nutritional gaps that might otherwise limit growth. There's also a thin membrane on the inside of the shell that many people scrape off and throw away, but if you leave it on when you grind your eggshells into powder, you're adding a small boost of protein and additional trace nutrients into the mix. That membrane contains collagen and other compounds that break down and contribute organic matter to the soil, feeding the beneficial microbes living around your pepper plant's roots. Now, here's the chemistry piece that matters most. When eggshell powder comes into contact with moist soil, it slowly reacts with naturally occurring acids in the soil. This reaction gradually releases calcium in a form plant roots can actually take up. It's a slow-release process, not an instant one, which is actually a good thing. Instead of flooding your plant with a sudden burst of minerals that could shock the root system, eggshell powder feeds your pepper plant gradually over weeks, sometimes months, giving it a steady, sustainable source of calcium and trace minerals without overwhelming it. This is fundamentally different from most synthetic fertilizers, which often deliver a quick nutrient spike followed by a drop-off. Eggshell powder works more like a slow, steady drip, which lines up beautifully with how pepper plants actually use calcium over their growing cycle. So now let's flip this around and talk about what pepper plants actually need to thrive, because this is where everything clicks into place. Pepper plants are considered moderately heavy feeders. They need a well-rounded diet of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium throughout their life cycle, but calcium is the nutrient that gardeners most often overlook, and it's arguably one of the most critical for pepper plants specifically. Here's why. Peppers are notoriously prone to a condition called blossom end rot. If you've ever grown peppers or tomatoes and noticed a dark, sunken, almost leathery patch forming on the bottom of the fruit, that's blossom end rot, and in the vast majority of cases, it's caused by a calcium deficiency, or more specifically, a calcium uptake problem within the plant. Here's the tricky part. Even when there's technically enough calcium in the soil, pepper plants can still develop blossom end rot if calcium isn't being delivered consistently to the fruit. This usually happens because of irregular watering, which causes fluctuations in how the plant transports calcium through its vascular system. Calcium moves through a plant via water, so when watering is inconsistent, calcium delivery becomes inconsistent too, and the developing fruit ends up shortchanged. This is exactly where eggshell powder becomes so valuable. Because it releases calcium slowly and steadily into the soil over time, it helps maintain a more consistent calcium reserve, which reduces the risk of those uptake gaps that lead to blossom end rot in the first place. Beyond fruit health, calcium plays a massive structural role throughout the entire plant. It strengthens cell walls in the stems, leaves, and roots, making the plant more resistant to disease, pest damage, and physical stress like wind or heavy fruit loads. A pepper plant with strong, well-supported cell structure can hold up larger, heavier peppers without stems snapping or splitting. Now, let's connect the rest of the eggshell's nutrient profile to what peppers need. Remember that magnesium in the eggshell? Pepper plants need magnesium to keep their leaves a deep, healthy green and to fuel efficient photosynthesis, which directly impacts how much energy the plant has available to produce and ripen fruit. The phosphorus in eggshell powder supports strong root systems and better flowering, which naturally leads to more fruit set. And the potassium works alongside calcium to regulate water balance within the plant, which, as we just talked about, is directly tied to preventing blossom end rot. Even the trace minerals matter. Zinc and manganese are involved in enzyme activity that affects everything from growth rate to disease resistance. Pepper plants that are deficient in these micronutrients often show stunted growth, pale or yellowing leaves, or poor fruit development, even if their nitrogen and potassium levels look fine on paper. So when you put it all together, eggshell powder isn't just randomly beneficial, it's almost perfectly matched to the specific vulnerabilities and needs of pepper plants: steady calcium to prevent blossom end rot and strengthen structure, supporting magnesium and phosphorus for growth and fruiting, and trace minerals to round out overall plant health. When used the right way, eggshell powder offers a genuinely impressive list of benefits. It helps prevent blossom end rot by maintaining steady calcium availability. It strengthens cell walls throughout the plant, leading to sturdier stems and fewer cracked or split peppers. It slowly buffers soil pH, nudging overly acidic soil toward a more neutral range that peppers generally prefer. It feeds beneficial soil microbes as the organic membrane breaks down, improving overall soil health over time. And because it's a slow-release amendment, there's a much lower risk of nutrient burn compared to synthetic fertilizers. But here's where I need to be completely honest with you, because this is the part most videos gloss over. Eggshell powder is not automatically safe just because it's natural. Used incorrectly, it absolutely can cause problems for your pepper plant. The biggest risk is overapplication. If you dump large amounts of eggshell powder into the soil repeatedly, especially in soil that's already neutral or alkaline, you can push the soil pH too high. Pepper plants prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil, generally in the range of 6.0 to 6.8. If your soil pH climbs too high because of excessive calcium carbonate, it can actually lock out other essential nutrients like iron and manganese, even if those nutrients are technically present in the soil. This creates a frustrating situation where the plant shows deficiency symptoms, like yellowing leaves, even though the nutrients are physically there. They're just chemically unavailable because the pH is off. Another risk comes from using eggshell powder that hasn't been properly dried and ground. Chunky, poorly processed eggshell pieces break down extremely slowly, sometimes taking a year or more, which means they won't actually help your plant in any meaningful time frame. Worse, if shell fragments aren't cleaned properly, they can occasionally introduce bacteria into your soil, which is rarely a serious issue, but is worth avoiding through proper preparation. The lesson here is simple. Eggshell powder is a genuinely powerful, natural tool for pepper plants, but respect it like you would any amendment. More is not better. Precision and consistency beat quantity every single time. Let's get into exactly how to prepare and apply this so you get it right the first time. Step 1. Collect your eggshells. Save shells from at least 6 to 8 eggs. Rinse them gently to remove any leftover egg white or yolk residue, since organic residue can attract pests or create odor as it breaks down. Step 2. Dry them completely. Spread the rinsed shells on a baking tray and let them air dry for a day or two, or speed up the process by baking them in a low oven around 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. They should feel completely dry and slightly brittle, not damp or leathery. Step 3. Grind them into a fine powder. This step matters more than people realize. Use a blender, coffee grinder, or mortar and pestle, and grind until you get a fine, almost flour-like consistency. The finer the powder, the faster and more evenly it breaks down in the soil, which means your pepper plant can actually access those nutrients within a reasonable time frame. Step 4. Measure your dose. This is where the 1 spoonful really comes into play. For an established pepper plant growing in the ground or in a medium to large container, 1 level tablespoon of finely ground eggshell powder is a safe, effective starting dose. Step 5. Apply it correctly. Don't just dump the powder in one spot on top of the soil. Instead, gently work the tablespoon of powder into the top 1 to 2 inches of soil in a ring around the base of the plant, staying a few inches away from direct contact with the stem. Mixing it into the soil rather than leaving it sitting on the surface helps it start interacting with soil moisture and beneficial microbes right away. Step 6. Water it in. After applying the powder, give the plant a thorough watering. This helps kickstart the slow breakdown process and carries some of those minerals down toward the root zone where they're needed most. That's genuinely it. 1 spoonful worked gently into the soil, watered in thoroughly. No complicated tools, no expensive equipment, just a smart use of something you'd otherwise throw away. Timing can make or break how effective this trick actually is, so let's break down exactly when to use it and when to hold off. First, let's cover when not to apply eggshell powder. Avoid applying it to very young seedlings or freshly transplanted pepper plants that haven't established their root systems yet. Their root systems are too delicate to benefit meaningfully, and disturbing the soil around them can add unnecessary stress. Also, avoid applying it during periods of extreme heat stress or drought, since a stressed plant needs consistent moisture more than it needs a new soil amendment at that exact moment. Skip application if your soil is already alkaline or if you know from a soil test that your pH is sitting above 7.0, since adding more calcium carbonate could push things further in the wrong direction. And avoid applying it right before a heavy, prolonged rain, since excessive water can wash the powder away before it has a chance to properly integrate into the soil. Now, the ideal timing. The best window to apply eggshell powder is right around the flowering stage, just as your pepper plant is starting to set its first blossoms. This is precisely when calcium demand begins to ramp up, since the plant is preparing to direct resources into fruit development. Applying it at this stage means the slow-release calcium becomes available right when the plant needs it most, helping prevent blossom end rot before it ever has a chance to start. Morning application is ideal, paired with your regular watering schedule, since cooler morning temperatures reduce stress on the plant and give the soil time to absorb moisture throughout the day. As for reapplication, 1 tablespoon every 3 to 4 weeks throughout the growing season is a solid, safe rhythm. This gives the previous application enough time to fully break down and be absorbed before you introduce more, maintaining that steady, consistent calcium supply without ever overwhelming the soil chemistry. So how long until you actually see something happening? Realistically, don't expect overnight miracles, because eggshell powder works as a slow, steady amendment, not an instant fix. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, you likely won't see dramatic visible changes, but underground, the powder is beginning to interact with soil moisture and slowly releasing calcium into the root zone. By around the 3 to 4 week mark, many growers start noticing subtly stronger stems and a deeper, more vibrant green in the foliage, a sign that calcium and magnesium are being properly absorbed. The most exciting changes tend to show up around the 6 to 8 week mark, especially if you applied the powder during flowering. This is typically when you'll notice a real difference in fruit quality, fewer or no signs of blossom end rot, firmer peppers, and sturdier stems that can support heavier fruit loads without bending or snapping. Over a full growing season, consistent reapplication often leads to noticeably healthier plants overall, with better resistance to stress, more uniform fruit development, and a soil environment that continues improving year after year. And that's the real story behind one simple spoonful of eggshell powder. It's not magic, it's chemistry and plant biology working together in a way that actually makes sense once you understand it. A tiny bit of kitchen waste, applied the right way at the right time, can genuinely make your pepper plants stronger, healthier, and far more productive. If you found this useful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, because I've got a whole lineup of practical, science-backed growing tips coming your way that you won't want to miss. Drop a comment and let me know if you're going to try this on your own pepper plants this season. Until next time, happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video.